AdidasWilson.com. This is how to make money on Twitch. This is from research I'm doing. I do a lot of research because I publish books as well, but I want to know everything I can about something if I'm going to master it, put my all into it, and I get to help out others. So I love the network and help out everyone as much as I can. This will be on my YouTube channel as well, Gaming Samurai, and the link is below. So this is from my blog, guys. Please subscribe, send me a message, tell me a little bit about yourself as well while you're here, or if I end this stream, you can still say, hey, what's up, Gaming Samurai. So how much money do Twitch streamers make? Okay, they will always mention people like Ninja because he was one of the original ones. Ninja makes, this is probably years ago, 500,000 per month on Twitch. Now he probably makes a lot more than that now because we have sponsorships. We have something called esports now, and I'm sure he's a part of because he came from the days when they was playing Halo and different things like that. And think about it. Think about how many people play NBA 2K, NFL Madden. Those are turned into esports as well. So you can make money off of streaming, as well as subscriptions. You get your followership up, your fans up. People want to pay $4.99 or $2.49, depending on what level of Twitch you're on. And like I said, this is all from research I've been doing, and it's on my blog, AdidasWilson.com. So you have subscriptions. The Twitch affiliate program. Twitch sends an invitation email to any streamer who has been working consistently to produce content. So they are paying attention to you if you continue to produce content. That doesn't mean stream 15, 20 hours a day. That means networking, get your followers up, you're following others, you're commenting, others are commenting on your page, and you just keep doing that on and on. Those with at least 50 followers, an average of 3 viewers in the last 30 days, at least 500 minutes of total broadcast, which is pretty easy to do if you broadcast at least 3 times a week. But I try to do a little bit of vlogging / gaming on my channel because my kids love gaming, my 3 boys, and that's all they do really. I'm more of a motivational type speaker / author, so I have to do a lot of research and everything. So once you become an affiliate, you earn by accumulating bits or when people subscribe and support your channel. The Twitch Partner Program, you have the press, that's like different companies paying you, communities, developers, esports, events as well. You show up and get paid. You send shots out to people, especially on YouTube. Ad revenues, similar to how YouTube works. Advertisement, you get paid a little advertisement. Donations, people can donate to you. Think about how many millions of people are on Twitch every single day. Paid live streams, that's what's up. Again, sponsorships. 12 ways you can make money on Twitch. Live video. It says 37,000 plus followers. Continues. That's Heatherstone streamer. Heatherstone, I've never heard of her. Speed run. Speed running is the same as live streaming any game. Okay, you just going through the game. That's something that I'll probably do as well. Play at casinos. Never heard of that, but that's cool. Radio style stream. I've never heard of that either. Perform music. That's cool. You like EDM music, you like DJing, things like that. I'm glad that they have these separate categories so people can earn a living. Play Magic. That's cool. Live IRL. Twitch opened the IRL category to a ton of criticism. That's a bunch of stuff. I don't want to bore you guys to death, but that's on my website if you want to check that out. Social eat. That's crazy. I know I've seen some people eating like wings and different fruit, like close up on the camera, and I can't believe people watch that, but they do. So Go to work. That's all it says, man. Go to work, stream. Think about how you can be different. Think about how you can network. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, everything. Just build a community. Let's network, you guys. Please send me a shout out. Please subscribe. And I'll see you next time on Gaming Samurai. One other thing, I want to leave every video with the greatest quote I have ever heard in my life. That's from Eric Thomas. That says, I want to succeed as bad as I want to breathe. Think about that. Think about it. See you guys.